Well done for making it back.
Yeah,
So yeah, scuba diving is a really interesting science, and something I wish you could try because it is life changing. When you are underwater and you are weightless, it's the closest we will ever get to flying like a bird. Yeah,
yeah,
there is no gravity. You can go up, you can go down, you can go sideways, you can spin upside down. It's incredible. I love this very much.
yeah. How to find the we have get the yeah, the oxygen air limited the timing. Everything is equipment is how to find it when I
How to
drive the
find what?
when I
What's the
drive
question? Sorry, Noor.
when I drive under the water.
Yeah.
How to find the gas is be limited, the gas will be finished. Uh, how to maintain?
Well, um, you will have a gauge, yeah,
Yeah,
which
everything
tells you
equipment is
how
there.
much air. Of course, yes. And of course, if you're going to go underwater, you should at least be familiar with the equipment by training in something like a swimming pool, okay,
Yeah,
first. So you know where everything is. It would be very irresponsible for me to meet you and take you straight into the ocean and down to 20 meters. I would actually lose my license for that because it could kill you. If you don't know how to work the equipment and then something happened to me, then I can no longer look after you. So you must be responsible for yourself. And if you don't know how everything works, water does not forgive mistakes. Yeah. We are in an environment that can kill us very quickly,
yeah,
which is why, although scuba diving is very relaxing, it is still known, and rightly so, as an extreme sport. Yeah,
yeah.
because it's no different to throwing yourself out of an aeroplane with a parachute.
Mhm.
If you don't know how the
Mhm.
parachute works, you're going to die.
Yes.
Underwater, if you don't know how the scuba equipment works, you will die. And I think we lose a little bit of this with the marketing of scuba diving. It is a very relaxing activity, but you need to know what you're doing first. Okay. Then once you know what you're doing, it's beautiful. You can relax. And this is why old people do it, young people do it, anybody can do it. No matter.
Before you can
Go
teach
on.
everything. When I drive the scuba driving, I don't know you. I am a first. You can teach everything, the safety industry, safety instruction, and how to swimming. Yeah, before instructor, everything you will teach. After we will drive the sea.
Yes. Remind me where you live.
Yeah, I am in nearby Puducherry, just 1.5 hour,
Oh,
1 or 2
okay.
hour.
So, if it's something you wanted to try, what I would
Yeah.
suggest you do is
Mm-hmm.
contact my friends at Temple
Yeah.
Adventures, okay,
Mm-hmm.
in
Mm-hmm.
Pondicherry, because I can recommend them, and you ask them
Okay.
about Discover Scuba Diving. Now, this is
Yes.
a half day course,
I am a
no
first experience.
license. Yes, it does not give you a license. It's for you to try it. Okay, so you'll train in the pool at Temple Adventures, and then they'll
Oh.
take you on your first sea dive. Okay, that's what I would recommend for you. Temple Adventures in Pondicherry, Puducherry, and
Mm-hmm.
Discover Scuba Diving. And then if you liked it, if you wanted to do it more, your first
Mm-hmm.
license is called Open Water First License, and that allows you to dive to a depth of 18 meters. Okay, 18 meters.
License will be important.
Well, that depends. It depends on whether it's something that you think you will do regularly. If it's something that you think
Mhm.
you'll do regularly, then yes, get your license because it works all over the world. Um,
License will be issued by the country based on the international like that.
it's an international license.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the agency that I used to work for, or I used to train
Mm-hmm.
through, is called PADI. Um,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know whether Temple Adventures are still only
Yeah.
teaching through Paddy. There are
Mm,
other
mm,
agencies involved. But Noah, what I would say, don't worry too much about the agency. It doesn't matter. They all are the same. They're all globally recognized. What you need to
okay.
find is an instructor that you connect
Okay.
with, because that's important,
Okay.
because your life is in their hands, okay, to begin with. So it's really important that you get on with them, yeah, that they are trustworthy, that they know what they're talking about. Now, that's why I say I recommend the Temple crew, because I know them. They're serious.
You
They
see.
take responsibility. There are
Okay.
unfortunately some other operators that maybe aren't quite so professional. So you have to be a bit careful with this, because it's your life. You know, you would be sorely missed if anything was to go wrong. I hope you get to
Yes.
try
Yes.
it. I really do hope you get to try it. It's really nice to see somebody taking an interest in it. How are you
I will try.
in water, Noor? Can you swim? Are you comfortable swimming? Okay, Noor Mohammed, I wish you luck with your scuba diving. You can let me know how you get on. Maybe the next time we speak, let me know what you thought when you spoke to Temple. For we're very close to being out of time for today. So I just wanted to say it was
Yes.
nice to see you in class, and I
Nice
hope
to
to see
see
you
you.
soon. Good luck.
Sure.
Cheers, Noor
Thank
Mohammed.
you.
Goodbye.